Guess what else is massive? Low taper. What's up, guys? It's me, Friday. We are back in another video. And today, I'm going to be playing Gorilla Tag. However, the community chooses my name. Did I say names? So yeah, basically, I'm going to have to do whichever the challenge that they give to me. Yeah, I have to do that. Anyways, let's get on to the video. Wait. Now let's get on to the video.
Why your hands like that, bro?
You got 3 heads.
Yeah, I know.
There's 2 long arms.
Have
you tried it before?
Yeah, I'm going into sleep.
Ah! Stop!
Wait, anyways, I'm gonna try and fall. Hey, you. Hey.
That's
Hey, you.
strange.
Hey, you.
What? What? No! No!
Wait.
My hoot! My hoot! My hoot!
Oh my god.
Bro! Hoot!
Have a free cosmetic. Minigame.
Wait.
Get out of here. There's this modders home.
Go! My hoot!
Wait, blue.
Get out of here, dude.
Blue.
Black with the top hat.
Give me a challenge that I could do in Gorilla Tag.
I got a challenge. I got a challenge.
Oh,
You got a challenge.
I got
You got a
Hey,
challenge. You got a
shut
challenge.
Go. Wait, no, shush.
Shut your ass up, bro. Hey, let me speak. Hey.
So you
Shut
could
your
go to
bitch ass
tutorial. Did you go there?
I've got to
Oh,
to
be
like
there to
Guardian.
Even more leeway than
Okay, so they said that I had to go out to tutorial, but they didn't say which game I had to be in. But yeah, I'm still.
Hey, Coco, please let me get it!
Alright, please tell me I get this one. Almost.
Oh my god!
I'm gonna go.
Where's the falling?
The
falling angel! No! Alright. Alright, me. Yes, I'm big! I'm big! Wait, bro, I'll take you up with me.
What I do?
No, I'm not gonna throw you out. I'm not gonna throw you out.
Orange, can you throw me out of the map over there?
I'm throwing you over here.
Okay. Oh my god, I don't think. I thought you were
Sorry.
going to blue.
Sorry, brother.
Alright,
so I just did that challenge. No, yeah.
Red.
Yeah, look, I'm in tutorial now. So yeah, let's get on to the next challenge.
Red, please, let me get it. Let me get it, please, Red.
Well, of course, I have to do this thing. I have to do it.
Let me get it, please. Let me get it, please. Okay, let me.
No, bro, that actually feels so good. Green.
Get out of my face.
Can you name a challenge that I could do in Gorilla Tag, but it's not getting to tutorial?
My son is gonna eat you if you bully him.
Hey.
My son is gonna eat you.
Try to hit every target in forest.
Okay.
I'm 100.
Alright, so he said to try and hit every target in the forest. So yeah, I'm gonna try and do just that. So yeah. Alright. So now let's get the fish food, or what I like to be poo, and throw them at the targets. It's that simple. But they didn't say that I could do this. Yeah! Alright. I'm gonna try that one right there. I have no idea where all of them are. Wait, no, that's not a Kendrick Lamar reference. Oh wait, so I can just do this.
Yeah, it is. At least you know.
Alright. Alright. Now. Hey! Alright, fighter. Wait. I think this is the final target.
I can teach you what you play.
Gabby, that's calling you.
Oh, you can jump over there.
Right.
Shut your Kintada.
And
Boom.
boom.
Shut your Kintada.
Don't think there's any other targets.
Wait, I see snake. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wait. No, don't leave me.
Don't think.
Like that.
I don't think there's any other targets in forest. Nah, white. Wait, purple.
Bro, look how fast this thing is,
Wait,
bro.
black.
Look how fast
Black.
this thing is.
Wait, you're black.
Yeah, bro, twitch my
Wait, blue. Perfect. Wait, purple.
Except for him.
Wait, blue. Can you name me a challenge that I could do a gorilla tag? Can you name a challenge I could do a gorilla tag? Wait, what?
I'm the third fastest man alive.
Huh?
Losing the game. Pull everyone on the pitch.
No!
Pull everyone on the pitch. Get on top of tall tree boss in 16.
16? Okay. We're starting in 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yeah! I made it in 15 seconds.
0-0.
Can you give me a challenge that I could do in gorilla tag?
This.
Wait,
Here, I'll show you.
red.
Here, listen, come here. In 4 more days, you'll be able to get these.
Wait,
These
red.
things. Or, if you don't want those,
Red.
get these. Or, any of these.
Wait.
Red.
Wait.
Bye-bye. I'm going to Monkey Block.
Also, can you name me a challenge that I could do in gorilla tag?
Body walk.